They're just heavy acrylic, and they're held together with a couple little magnets. Kind of has a really cool look. You can see the two little magnets right in the corners. These frames can be displayed one or two ways. You can have an image that takes up the full space, or you can have a float around the edges. I'm going to demonstrate both ways. The other thing that's really cool about these frames is that when they're standing, images can be displayed on both sides. This is an example of the image floating inside. I think that that's kind of fun. Just to fill up all the space. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to line these up just right, but if you're patient, it all comes together. I love these frames. I have them all over my house. You know, they can sit anywhere. You have a flat surface on top of a desk. They're really nice on top of a desk because you can be looking at one. You have a picture facing you, whereas someone that you might be talking to has a clear view of a picture on the other side as well.